The 2013 Arctic Cat Snowcross F800 Snow Pro Snow Ski is a powerhouse designed for speed enthusiasts on snow-covered trails. With an 800cc engine, it delivers a thrilling and responsive performance, making it a favorite among snowmobilers who crave the exhilaration of high-speed rides and winter wonderlands. Equipped with a Pro Snow ski system, this Arctic Cat model offers precision handling on snowy terrains. The ski design enhances control and responsiveness, allowing riders to navigate through twists and turns with confidence. The combination of power and agility makes it a go-to choice for those who enjoy the precision of snowcross racing. Thanks so much for watching. I want to talk real quick about our sponsor, us. A great way to support the channel is by going to our eBay store and ordering parts you need. We ship globally and offer free shipping within the US. We also ship quick and have a wide array of used parts, including parts from this bike. Check out the link at the top of the description for links to this bike's parts, or check out the link a little further down in the description to view our full inventory. The F800 Snow Pro Snow Ski strikes a balance between rugged style and lightweight agility. Its design not only exudes a tough and ready-to-conquer look, but also incorporates lightweight materials to ensure nimble maneuverability. This feature is crucial for riders looking to effortlessly handle various snow conditions while enjoying an exciting, controlled snowmobiling experience. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.